Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival, and today I'll be walking you through on how to make a 3D explanation toolkit video and 3D presentation. So to do this, we'll actually be doing this online, and we'll be using this web address, which is renderforest.com. So open up your browser. In your browser, you type in this address www.renderforest.com. So when you must have typed that, you just go to the page. Now on the page, you see online video animation logo and whatever maker. So you just click on get started. So it is loading. So on get started, you go to the video, you click on video. Okay, so now online video and animation maker in your browser. So click on create video. So now in this create video, it gives you a lot of options of the kind of videos you can create, but our focus is on this 3D explainer video toolkit. So you just click on it. So it is opening. So we click on create now. So now in this create now, there are some options there. The first one is to add scene. When you click on add scene, you create the video from the scratch. You create it yourself from the scratch. When you click on load presets, that one, it will bring up a lot of already designed video which you can just edit and use. Actually, the already made videos are of different fields. If you are into, let's say, fashion, you see a video that has already been done for fashion. If you are into estate management, you see something like that there. If you are into, will I say, eatery, restaurant, and all this easy food, you also see an already designed video there. So you just use the template. But actually there is a problem with that, because here I am using the free version, and I believe you are also using the free version. And in the free version, you are not allowed to make a video that is more than 1 minute. So if you click on this load preset, there is a much probability that the preset you are loading is more than 1 minute, and you will not be able to use it. So, but creating video from the scratch is actually not a big deal. It's as easy as anything. So just click on this add scene, and you'll be able to create video from the scratch. So now on this add screen, you can do a lot of things there. You see this man, you can use him in making your videos, but when you scroll down, you see more of the man. But actually, you might want to do a video that you need a woman or someone on corporate wares or a group of people. So now this is what you do. This is where you click. This is where you click. Click on this. That is where you click, and it will give you options on other things to use. So I'll click on it now. You see, it is by default, it is on male character animation. You can see female character animation, occupations, office animation, office female character animation. You can see children animation background. You can see logo, kinetic topography. You can see text holders. These text holders, okay, let me take it one after the other. male character animation is just the one we saw. Female character animation, same thing. Occupation is just that there will be a difference in the dress code. This one will be putting on something that shows occupation. Office animation, it will show like it will show a character that is maybe an office staff. So children animation, background animation, corporate character groups. This one will show you a kind of corporate character, maybe corporate bodies, people on suits, something like that. Casual character group, family animation, logo animation. The important one now is text holders. Now this text holder can hold maybe 2 or 3 texts. Yes, through 2 or 3 texts or even more, and we'll be able to animate those texts just in a professional way. So maybe you want to put, you are into maybe your services, you want to list your services, such as maybe, let's take for example, such as survival's creativity. We are into web designing, graphic designing, photography, video shoots, photo editing, programming, and lots more. Maybe I want to mention them. I'll use these text holders so to list them. And when the video is playing, it will bring them up in a very professional looking way. It will animate it while bringing it up. That's what it does. The check marks and the X will put something like X on it. The image holder, maybe you want to put your logo or you want to animate one video, one image like that, you use it. These are ribbons. So actually, like I've always said in my tutorials, I don't try to teach you everything. I give you the basics so that when you go in, you explore them yourself. So sorry, I mistakenly click on reload page. So after it reloads, we'll start the video proper. So this is it. We'll start it. Add scene. I'll try to explore as much field as possible, the basic one. Okay, now I showed you how you can change the character. Let's change it to a female character. Okay, this is a female character. So you can go down, you see happy woman, you see you see woman lying on bed. Okay, let's go to corporate. Okay, let's go to office male character. Okay, so this is an office male character. You can see all kinds of it. You can just keep scrolling down to see the one that is very useful for what you want to design. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, so I'll insert it. So now that it has loaded, I'll just put in my text here. Let me say make money. Okay, make money. So I'll click on save and close. So I'll add another scene again by clicking on this plus sign down the screen. Okay, this time I want to explore other aspects. Okay, let me take on this text holder. Okay, there are a lot of text holders here. Okay, let me go. Okay, I'll take this one with many stuff on it. So I'll put services, save and close. Okay, put web design, save and close. Okay, I'll put graphics design, save and close. I will put video editing, video production. Okay, save and close. And then I will put photography, save and close. Okay, so let's add something else again. Okay, let's explore. So this one are video holders. I don't think I need it. Okay, let me go for image holder, because let me go for this check marks X. So this one automatically clicks good or bad on it. As well, you can use it for your services. Like if I'm to use this one up here now, maybe services, it will put in good, put in something like graphic design. It's just the same as the other one I chose. So let me go for image holders. With this one, you can put in your image and then put in text. Something like this, you can edit and put in your logo or any image you want to project. Okay, so let me insert it, and then here I can put my image. Okay, it's telling me to upload image. Okay, from here, let me just upload this. Okay, let me upload this. Okay, you see, you can, okay, let me upload a second one again. Let me upload this. I'll click on done. So when you upload an image, it will tell you to fill it, to fit, rotate, filter. You can do a lot of things with it, but I'll just click done. So I can add my text here. I'll just call it tutorial. Okay, and save it. So you can explore every other ones there. I think these are the basic things you need to know about this. If you want to click on to add text, you can just click on this to add text, this one to edit image. So now, when you are done making what you want to make, the next thing you do is, if you notice, we are on this because this really gave me some tough time when I started. This is where we are. Believe you can see it. So the next thing you do is to move here. The next one, you move this side. The next one, you move here. The next one, you go to play before you render. So that is how it is. So we're on the edit. So now we move to this one. I just clicked on it now. So here you can actually choose a lot of the way you want it to look. You see, this one is a 3D look. You can see 3D. This one is flat look. Those are the two options. I think I'm okay with 3D look. You can click on transition and then choose from the different types of transition. You can see it already displaying here. You can see the different types of transitions. So you can choose any one you are comfortable with. So this one is the font. You can change the font that you use in putting up your write-up. So when you are done with that, you go to the next one, which is color. Okay, it's loading. From here, you can change the color of your background, the color of your primary text, the color of other things you are using there. When you are done changing color, you come to music. You know, while the video plays, actually it has some background music that is added to it. I think mine is on use no music. I think is it no music or use music? Okay, so from here I can just add any music of my choice. I just clicked on it. I can, let me just click on this good memory. You can play them to know what it looks. So sorry, I mistakenly pressed on reload again. So from there you can add music. It's still loading. So no music selected. Okay, let's add music. Okay, so I'll just click on this plus sign here on good memories. At the tail end of good memories, I'll click on the plus sign. So I've added the music. So the next thing is to go to play. I'm on play now. So I'm using a free version, so the much I can do is to play on low quality 360p. So if you want a higher quality, you have to pay. So free preview. So with my free preview now, it will process the video and get it ready for me to watch and enjoy. So my video is on queue. So upon finishing export, it can notify me via email or through browser. You can make your choice. But I guess before you get here, you must have a kind of registered with them or login. This you can do using your Google account or your Facebook account. So I've actually registered before. That's why it is not asking me to do that. So we are waiting for it to export. So the video, we are done exporting the video, so I can actually take a look to see what it looks like. So this is the video we just did. You can do a lot of things there, but I just showed you the basic because all you need is the basic. Then you use your creativity in creating other things you want to do. So having finished the video, we just click on download, and then the video will be in our gallery. So now if you notice, it is written here, created by renderforest.com. Some people will not want to have this on their videos, while some people are comfortable with it. So in the video editing class, I will show you how you can edit that and then replace it either with your company name or with a sticker or with anything you feel like. And then also in the video editing class, I can show you how you make 2 minutes, 5 minutes video using 3D explainer video toolkit, because we are only allowed to make 1 minute video here. But if you know how to edit videos, you'll be able to make video as long as you want. So let's go to check on our gallery to see if this video is there. We just finished downloading it. This is my gallery. I will go to downloads. So as you can see, this is the video. Okay, so that is how you use render forest. That is how you make video explainer, 3D explainer video toolkit using renderforest.com. So for your assignment, try to make a 3D explainer video on maybe 3 different fields using 3 different characters, and then using text holders, image holder, video holder, and other things, other features of it. So thank you so much for watching. See you next class. God bless you.